Hey, Haley, here.
2:15, we start the awards ceremony. 30 minutes. I gave you a blue ribbon. You're aware of something. One of the things you'll find out at the awards ceremony before you started.
Listen for a ring or a text. Let me make sure.
2:15, we start the awards ceremony. 30 minutes. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder, if you're just now making it to the booth to vote, if you remember, the voting did close at 1 o'clock for the People's Choice Awards, so we're already tabulating that. But our main awards will start at 2:15 for all the awards, but we're still selling raffle tickets. That's right, Dana Point wants to give away whale excursions, they want to give away gift cards, all kinds of fun stuff. Buy some raffle tickets and you could win. Go over there, whale excursions, all kinds of other stuff.
This would be my pick of all the cars, Alex. C3.
not as much as he did earlier, but.
Oh yeah, the chamber is still in raffle tickets. You can get raffle tickets, win whale excursions, gift cards, all kinds of other great stuff from Dana Point. So come see them and buy some of the raffle tickets, and you could win right over here in their booth. That one closes at 2 o'clock, and then you don't have to be present to win, right? You're gonna put your name down, they'll let you know, they'll text you. You're gonna call or text you if you want, so you don't have to be present. So come buy some raffle tickets. Still for sale right over here till 2 o'clock at our neighborhood ticket or purple tent. Can't let this back to where
That's Gary's sister.
About 40 years in public.
I have a 21 California special. I only saw it.
Number 71.
Recognize I'm good. How are you?
There were some people that got in here at before 7, well before 7. But the poster said 7:30. First July, first
72.
Oh, let me get him some little.
I'm looking over there.
Yeah, they are. I saw one show in the market. It's amazing how much those things. You have one, how much is
It's so cute, huh? What's a Fiat?
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that.
Please, just a second. Just a second. Go ahead. You already know the street. Just a second. Just a second. Oh. Alrighty, go ahead. So the two charges at 128.
This one time.
Not that hard to do. A lot of fun. Just be sure to push it real hard. Yeah, don't worry about the clutch.
I didn't rent any time.
Make strange noises.
Kind of sneak in.
Yeah.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're getting closer here. In about 15, 20 minutes, 2:15, we are going to start our awards. So, oh my gosh, woo, exciting. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you're a car owner and somebody came by and gave you a blue ribbon, congratulations, you're a winner of something. We don't know what it is, but you won something. So take your blue ribbon and send somebody from your team over to the center, which will be here, Amber and Del Prado, right in front of the DJ booth, right in the center corner here, in 2:15, and you're going to be called for a winner of one of the trophies. So again, if you're a car owner that somebody came by and gave you a blue ribbon, you're a winner of something. One of the trophies. Find out at the next ceremony, the winner for
ring or a text. Let me make sure.